Hello students, in this video I will discuss some of the question answers from the poem A Photograph along with the symbols that are used in this poem. So let me start. The poet is probably in her late 20s or early 30s. She is sad with an old photograph of her mother and two of her cousin sisters, all of them still little girls. She feels at a loss. She doesn't have any memory of her mother, as the mother had died when she was too small to remember. The poem is divided into two stanzas, before the mother's death and after the mother's death. After the mother's death, the entire world for the poet is empty. We can say, I already repeated, emotional voidness. So stage 1, stage 2 we will discuss in this way. Stage 1, a new photograph. The poet is looking at an old discolored photograph of her mother, which was taken by her mother which was taken when her mother was 12 years old or so. She had gone for a sea holiday with her cousins Betty and Dolly along, accompanied by her uncle, whose uncle is not clear. Now it has not been elaborately been discussed in the poem. Probably we can say it is the mother's uncle, that means the poet's mother's uncle. After paddling the boat, they got ashore. The uncle asked them to stand together to pose for a photograph. That means the poet's mother along with the two girl cousins, Betty and Dolly. The poet's mother was the eldest of the three. She was very shy, so each of the cousins was holding the poet's mother's hands. All the three of them stood smiling through their hair while the photo was taken. Probably their hair got ruffled because of the sea breeze, or it was a trend among girls to let their hair hide a side of their face. It can be that. Her mother had a sweet face. All this happened before the poet was born. This was during the time or during the stage when actually the poet's mother was only 12 years old. Stage 2, an old cardboard. Many years passed and her mother grew up to an adult. They all underwent changes while the sea stood still. The mother died and Betty and Dolly must have aged. Transformation that takes place in the life of human beings. Though the world of nature remains the same, but there is a gradual change in the life of mortal human beings. Here the poet presents an assumption for us. What could have happened if our mother hadn't died? After about 20 or 30 years, the poet's mother would look at the photograph, laughing nostalgically, remembering the past. She did it when she herself was 32 or 42 years old. She remembered what happened 30 years back in her life. She would appreciate the dress owned by her cousins Betty and Dolly. The sea holiday belonged to the past of her mother, and the poet still remembers how her mother would laugh looking at the snapshot. For the poet, both these bring great sadness and an acute sense of loss. Silence silences. Her mother died 15 to 18 years ago. 12 years has been mentioned in the poem. 12 years as same as the girl's age in that photograph. That means I already told you that 12 years is very much ironical. And now the poet has nothing to say about this circumstance of the photograph, because now it's silences and it has created already the death of her mother, already created an emotional voidness, a silence, a vacuum that cannot be fulfilled or vacuum that cannot be covered. Understanding the poem. The poet looks at the cardboard on which there is the childhood photograph of her mother. She had gone for a sea holiday with two of her cousins, Betty and Dolly. This is just an overview of the poem that I am explaining right now. While they were paddling, and after that, their uncle took a photograph of them. Both the cousins were holding the hands of the poet's mother, who was the eldest among the girls. This was before the poet was born. Time fled past, and all those who are in the photograph underwent changes, while the sea remained the same. The world of nature, I already told you previously, it remained the same, whereas the transient human life underwent a lot of changes. Her mother would look at the photograph after about 20 to 30 years later and would laugh nostalgically by looking at it. Now, for the poet, her mother's laughter and her sea holiday is a thing of the past. Her mother died about 12 years ago. The same age as the girl being projected as the big girl or the eldest girl projected in the photograph, that is 12 years. So I told in one of my previous video also that 12 years, that number 12 is very much symbolic, and it's very ironical also, and it's meaningful also. The silence of the photograph silences the poet. She experiences great loss. And finally we can say that its silence silences the loss of her mother is a great loss for the poet. She can experience this great loss. So I hope, dear students, you learned about it a bit. Listen to the video very carefully, it will give you more concrete idea. Thank you.